subscriber, Big Super, out in East Prospect this morning, and we just a look at some unfinished work we're taking place here, where the new set of supervision on the ground now, trying to get this section of the drainage. Them trying to get this section of the drainage complete. So far, my viewers and subscribers, them doing a fairly good job. And Big Super is out here, out in East Prospect, and we have a hardware. Yeah, we have a hardware out here on the main road where we have a feature this morning. Yeah, right in front of where all of these work out here on the long level taking place. Right out here on the Beverly Hills section of East Prospect. Some of you as a subscriber want you stick and stay, because Big Super is about to go in the hardware out here on the long level and make you guys see the hardware right across the road here. 4GS hardware supply. Stick and stay, people, as Big Super step in the hardware and see what's going on. Some of you was on sub, we are out here, we are out on the long level, we are out in East Prospect, and we are stepping in the 4G hardware supply. And we have a Labor Day sale coming up. So we're going to look at the hardware and see. We woke up in the manager right away, people. Morning. And we see this hardware, it come from afar until it reach to this level where it is. But how long this hardware work now?
Like 2 years and 6 months.
About 2 years and 6 months.
Yes.
And me notice the place are improved. Me see a build up, me see a expand. And now me hear you talk about Labor Day sale.
Yes, because this is a community hardware, and I definitely do this to benefit the community of Prospect and surrounding areas. Yes, so it is for everybody to come out. The Labor Day sale, I realize that a lot of people want certain items and can't afford it, so I decided to reduce the price up to 30%.
30% off, 4G,
Yes.
Labor Day sale, 30% off.
Yes.
The world I listen to you, know.
Yes.
Everybody have a bombard the place, you know.
So items are like on zinc,
Like zinc,
doors,
plyboard and doors.
a lot of items.
30% off.
Yes.
And tell me something, one way you stock overall, can I see you have cement, I see you have hundreds of cement right here.
I have everything that you can ask of for hardware product. I have everything in stock.
You almost have everything?
Everything.
Alright, may you walk in at the hardware here. I want to really take a look. Because I'm saying I have everything, people. See the phone number right up there. I'm saying I have everything, people. But when I look on right here now to my left.
These are thin set and grouts.
The tin set and grouts.
For tiling.
And say like you have all tiling features.
Yes, tiling. So I'm gonna have a massive discount on tiling. These are the highest tiling you can ever ask for. The best quality. And these items are right now they are for 32,000, but I'm gonna reduce it to about 27,000. So a massive discount on that, from 32 to 27.
I'm asking something. What kind of brand tile it is these?
These are the Corona brand.
Corona. You sure the people don't love that name there?
Yes, but it's one of the best brand on the market.
Oh, it's one of the better brand.
Best brand on the market.
Okay. I mean notice now when I look in your window, cause you know me pass here but me never really come in here for the longest while.
Yes.
Me never realize now so the place look like it gets small.
Yes, because it's overstocked.
It's overstocked.
Yes, overstocked.
Yeah, so you really have to do the Labor Day sale.
Yes.
To reduce some of them items and get them going.
Yes, and I'm doing some expansion. So it is, as I said before, it
Yeah.
is a community hardware, and it is here for the community.
It is here for the community.
Here for the community.
Yeah,
And I
man.
want the, as I said before, the surrounding communities, Prospect Retreat and Port Morant and wherever you come from.
Yeah.
And we have a very, customer service here is very good.
So,
Very good customer
all right,
service.
let me ask you now. You do glass by any chance?
No, I don't do glass yet, but
Yeah.
windows and doors, I specialize in that.
Because a lot of people, have lately asked me if me know where wear glass. They cut glass and because sometimes the car drivers and then look out them the window glass.
Yes.
The one on the side of the car.
Okay.
So then we cut a glass and put back in it and
Well, that's on the making, but for
Yeah.
now, I don't start glass yet, but
Yeah.
that's on the making.
Yeah, so I hope in the future you start glass.
Yes.
And we're tools now for the workman them. Because the
Yes.
workman them need their hammer, their shovel.
Well, in that here, I have a lot of tools: jackhammer, claw hammer, claw bars, and shovel,
Yeah.
tape measures, everything. You can come in a
Yeah.
little further.
We'll take a walk through the hardware, the 4G hardware people.
Yes,
Because we want to see where this place are really stack up with and where it really make out of.
Yes. So as I said, you can take a look around.
Yeah.
Yes. So we stack a
So you have a lot of electrical stuff inside here also.
electrical.
So you also if somebody a build a house and they want the wiring, the
Everything.
electrical section, you can also
I
supply
have
that.
I have that in stock.
And you have all of the pipes for the
Everything.
for the plumbers them.
Everything.
Because just looking in here, go around look a bit there. Just looking here, me notice you're not away for walk.
Yeah, yes.
And you have your CCTV camera, so people, you might watch you now. See there? So where the painting concerned now?
Yes, so we have a wide variety of paints.
Yes.
All over. Paints galore. And
Yeah.
we have more to come. So by Labor Day, which is the 23rd, we are gonna have a lot more stock coming in. So I want everybody to come out Prospect, come out Retreat. It's gonna be a massive sale.
So you hear that? Massive Labor Day sale.
And an electrical product and electrical conduits and water pipes. We stock 1/2 inches pipe, 3/4, 1 inch. On waste pipe we have 1.5 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch, 4 inch, and a lot of pipes. So kitchen faucet, kitchen sink, tap ironing, it's just everything. Overall light bulbs and just everything. You can just name it. We have it here.
But
4G's hardware is the place to be.
you hear that, people? 4G hardware
Is the place
to be right out in East Prospect on the long level. And before I wrap up, I just have to say to you that me like how you bring your hardware from where it was to where it is now. Me pass here day after day and me see you with the look of one building, then me see you add on, and then me see you increase, and then me see you multiply. And me feel good to know that you is a product St.Thomas is a product of East Prospect,
Yes.
and you give back to your community.
Yes.
And a Labor Day more all of St.Thomas people support this hardware, because it's very few give back, very few, and this is one of the few people. I want to bless him.
I just want to say also it is a Christian hardware too, where we believe in prayer. This what I do every morning before I open. I pray and ask God for His blessing. So it is not just a place where you're gonna have everything goes. We believe in it's a Christian hardware. It is here. We believe in the moral principles.
Yeah.
So it is a place to be.
And they call Christiana.
Yes, I'm also an evangelist at the Power of Faith Deliverance Ministry.
Yeah.
Yes.
So that is so nice. And what's your name? Give me your official name, please.
I am Alexander Graham.
Alexander Graham.
Yes.
And if the people them look you up or your phone number, they will see it still. But
Yes. So 857-1999. That's 857-1999.
And your location?
Is Prospect Main Road, St. Thomas.
You see that, people? So easy to find. I'm able to show you the direction to come right in East Prospect, right on the long level, right after your pass. Flow scheme
Yes.
is between flow and the
Blue and
next
white.
blue and white scheme. It just right in the middle on the long level out here in East Prospect. Thank you, and I hope you have a wonderful Labor Day sale. I hope everybody turn out and support your hardware and give you the old thumbs up.
All right, thank you very much, Big Super.
Yeah.
Yes, keep up the good work. You're doing a wonderful job.
All right, people.
God bless you.
Peace out. So you see it, my viewers and subscribers. We are exiting the building. You see the management. I'm out here sweeping up in front of him hardware. And Big Super and family endorse the Labor Day sale coming up at this hardware. I hope you guys come out. Blessings. I hope you guys come out and support it. People, it's a Big Super family location and is located right out here on the long level. Right out here where the road work taking place. Right out here in East Prospect. And let me show you the location. If you're coming from Marant there, just as you pass the flow scheme is right next door to it. And if you're coming from Port Marant, just as you pass blue and white and come down the level, there it is, people. There it is, people. 4G's hardware supply out here in East Prospect. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, remember to subscribe, and remember support the Labor Day sale coming up. Big Super saying to you guys, peace out.